Tired of crypto exchange confusion? Feeling lost in a sea of platforms, unsure which one truly fits your trading style and security needs? You're not alone. Choosing the right cryptocurrency exchange is a crucial first step, or a pivotal switch, in your crypto journey. It's the bedrock of your trading activity, impacting everything from the fees you pay to the assets you can access and the peace of mind you have regarding security. Today, we're diving deep into a head-to-head battle of two prominent players in the crypto exchange arena, Kraken and KuCoin. Both boast millions of users globally, a wide array of cryptocurrencies, and a suite of features designed to cater to different levels of trading experience. But beneath the surface, significant differences exist, differences that could heavily influence your decision. Think of it like choosing between a seasoned, reliable deep-sea vessel, Kraken, and a dynamic, feature-rich speedboat navigating the crypto currents, KuCoin. Both can get you where you need to go, but their journey, speed, and onboard amenities will vary considerably. So, which one deserves your hard-earned crypto and your trust? Over the next few minutes, we'll dissect these two titans across crucial aspects, leaving no stone unturned. We'll explore their history and reputation, the sheer variety of cryptocurrencies they offer, the intricacies of their fee structures, the user-friendliness of their platforms, the robustness of their security measures, the responsiveness of their customer support, and the availability of advanced trading tools. Let's start by understanding their origins and the reputation they've built over the years. Kraken, founded in 2011, is one of the oldest and most respected cryptocurrency exchanges in the industry. It has weathered numerous market cycles and regulatory shifts, establishing a reputation for security and compliance. Headquartered in San Francisco, Kraken has consistently prioritized regulatory adherence and has built a strong track record of protecting user funds. This longevity and commitment to security have made it a preferred choice for many seasoned traders and institutional investors who value stability and trust above all else. Think of Kraken as the established, regulated bank of the crypto world. KuCoin, on the other hand, is a younger but rapidly growing exchange, established in 2017 and headquartered in Seychelles. It quickly gained popularity for its extensive selection of altcoins, often being one of the first platforms to list emerging projects. KuCoin has positioned itself as a global platform with a strong focus on community engagement and a diverse range of earning opportunities beyond spot trading. It's often seen as a more dynamic and adventurous platform, attracting users looking for exposure to newer and potentially higher risk, higher reward assets. Now, let's talk about the lifeblood of any crypto exchange, the cryptocurrencies they offer. Kraken provides access to a substantial and well-curated list of major cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, BTC, Ethereum, ETH, Cardano, ADA, Solana, SOL, and many more established and widely traded assets. While their selection is broad, their primary focus tends to be on the more established and liquid cryptocurrencies. This makes it a solid choice for those primarily interested in mainstream crypto assets. KuCoin truly shines when it comes to the sheer number and variety of cryptocurrencies available. Often referred to as the altcoin king, KuCoin boasts an impressive list of emerging and niche cryptocurrencies that you might not find on other major exchanges. This vast selection can be a significant draw for users looking to invest in smaller market cap projects with potential for high growth. However, it's crucial to remember that with a wider variety of less established coins comes increased risk. Next, let's delve into a critical aspect that directly impacts your profitability: fees. Kraken employs a tiered fee structure based on your 30-day trading volume. For spot trading, the maker fees paid when you add liquidity to the order book, and taker fees paid when you remove liquidity from the order book, decrease as your trading volume increases. For users with lower trading volumes, the fees are generally competitive but might not be the absolute lowest in the market. Kraken also has separate fee structures for futures trading, margin trading, and staking. It's important to carefully review their specific fee schedule based on your anticipated trading activity. KuCoin also utilizes a tiered fee structure based on your 30-day trading volume and your KCS, KuCoin shares, holding. Holding and using KCS can significantly reduce your trading fees, making it an attractive option for users who are invested in the KuCoin ecosystem. Generally, KuCoin's base trading fees can be slightly lower than Kraken's for lower volume traders, especially when factoring in KCS discounts. However, fees for certain specialized services or less liquid pairs might vary. Again, a thorough review of their fee structure is essential. User experience can make or break your trading journey. Let's see how Kraken and KuCoin stack up in terms of platform usability. Kraken offers a clean and professional interface that caters to both beginners and experienced traders. They provide different platform interfaces, including a simplified starter view for newcomers and an advanced view with more in-depth charting tools and order types for seasoned users. While the advanced interface offers a wealth of information, it might initially feel overwhelming to complete beginners. However, the platform is generally well organized and provides a stable and reliable trading environment. KuCoin's interface is often described as more modern and feature-rich right from the start. It's visually appealing and integrates a wide array of features, including spot trading, futures trading, margin trading, lending, staking, and their KuCoin Earn platform, all within a relatively intuitive layout. While the sheer number of features might seem daunting at first, KuCoin generally does a good job of organizing them. The platform is also known for its active community and social features. In the world of cryptocurrency, security is paramount. Let's examine the security measures implemented by both exchanges. Kraken has a long-standing reputation for its robust security protocols. They employ a multi-layered security approach, including cold storage for the majority of user funds, two-factor authentication, 2FA, email confirmations for withdrawals, and advanced encryption technologies. They have also invested heavily in security audits and penetration testing to identify and address potential vulnerabilities. Kraken has a strong track record of not being significantly hacked, which speaks volumes in the crypto space. KuCoin also implements various security measures to protect user funds, including cold storage, 2FA, and encryption. They have also experienced security incidents in the past, which serves as a reminder of the inherent risks associated with holding cryptocurrency on any exchange. Since the incident, KuCoin has significantly enhanced its security infrastructure and has taken steps to compensate affected users. However, the past breach does raise a point of caution for security-conscious users. When issues arise, reliable customer support is crucial. Let's see how Kraken and KuCoin handle user inquiries. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.